You can choose to have links on your sway, or you can choose to embed video. So for example, right here, there's video that is embedded. So depending on what you want to do, in this particular sway, I wanted there to be the work next to the certificate, and for you to scroll down and it to end up just like this. So there's specific things that you can do so that it will end up being set up like this. So you can see I have all these sways here, but if I want to start a new sway, I'm going to click on here, and then it starts and it just looks like this. Now I can start right here and title it anything. This is my test sway, and I can add in a background, and I can go to suggested and look for specific things, but I can also go to my own device and go to wherever I have things stored. I can do this and start with either text or an image. I can always do a heading. And so you kind of have to play around with these different things here. But I'm going to start right now with an image. I'm going to add my image, come back here to my device, and click add this. And then I can say, the date to 15/21, green in person, and I can highlight specific things. I also like to number mine, so usually I will do a thing like this. So if this were the first day of class, I might do something like this and then say exactly what we were going to be doing in class, and then underneath that white at home, and specifically tell them what they need to do. So now I can go back and I can look at what that's going to look like. Now, right now, it looks like this. I typically like to have mine all go vertical so that it like stacks like this. But you can also change any of the styles, so you can have different looks to this. You can also have it do all kinds of different things. So you can play around until you like what you've got going on here. But the most important thing is that you are able to come in and work on this agenda. So every day I can come in and add a new thing. If I want to the next day to add just text, I can come in and just add text. So can come in and I can tell them, give them specific directions, highlight what I want. I can add in links to Edpuzzle here. So this is all my content on Edpuzzle. And so if I want to go and assign this, I can assign it to whatever class I want to assign it to. I'm going to go to one of my classes that have already assigned this to. Or I'm going to come in and I'm going to click on here, click on this, and then I'm going to share the assignment. And you could either copy the embed code if you wanted the video to be embedded into your Sway, or I'm going to just copy this link. Always make sure that it says copied. And then if you're green people were going to be watching this video, you can click on link, paste it down there, type in what it's called. It was something to do with charcoal. And now when they click on that link, it will go straight to that video for them. Now when I click on here, it has, obviously I haven't put anything in here, but if I click on this link, it's going to go straight there. Like I said, I could have also done the embed code. Okay, here's the test Sway that I just created. And remember, it really looks like this. And you can always push play if you need to be able to click on an image, for example, and you want it to go bigger. But if I'm going to then share this, you have a few options. I always do anyone with a link so that I can send it to parents. And I only want people to be able to view it. So I have done both, gotten the visual link, or got the visual link, get an embed code, but typically I will just copy this link, and right now that's what we need. So now I'm going to go into my test team. So I have a test team or test class on here, and all that I need to do to add this to my page is come up here, click on this, go to website, and then call this, so this would be my test class page. Save. And now it is on here. Now, when I am on here, I can click on this, see what the students want to see. I can click on this to come in and edit it. Sometimes when I go through Teams, I will have to go in and re-sign in. And if you have to do that, you can just kind of come over here and it'll just say sign in. So if it's not giving you the design and storyline, you can just go in and do that. But I've never had a problem. I can either go and edit it here. Usually I just go and edit it where I originally made it. However, sometimes if you're already in here and you just want to change something really quick, you can. So again, this is what it would look like for the kids, and obviously there's not much in here right now, but you kind of get the picture. It's very, very, very simple.